Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Docents Digitalis TV. In today's video, we're going to explore how to learn English using fun apps. Learning English doesn't have to be boring. There are so many apps that make the process exciting and interactive. Let's go over some of the best apps to help you practice English while having fun. Let's get started. App number 1, Duolingo. Duolingo is a popular language app that makes learning feel like a game. Here's how to make the most of it. Complete quick lessons to practice vocabulary and grammar. Earn points and rewards as you level up. Set daily goals to stay consistent. Duolingo's game-like design keeps you motivated to learn every day.
App 2, Memrise.
Memrise is perfect for building vocabulary through repetition and memory techniques. Here's what makes it unique. Learn phrases and words with fun visuals and audio. Practice pronunciation with native speaker recordings. Use speed reviews to test yourself on what you've learned. Memrise is especially helpful for expanding your vocabulary in a fun way. App number 3, HelloTalk. HelloTalk connects you with native English speakers for real conversations. Here's how to use it. Chat with people who are also learning your language. Practice speaking and texting in English with real people. Use the correction tool to get instant feedback on your sentences. HelloTalk lets you practice conversational English and learn from native speakers. App number 4, BBC Learning English. For a more structured approach, BBC Learning English offers educational content for all levels. Here's how to use it. Watch short, interactive videos on various English topics. Learn about grammar, vocabulary, and pronunciation. Access quizzes and exercises to test your knowledge. This app is excellent for those who prefer structured lessons with high-quality content. App number 5, Quizlet. Quizlet is ideal for flashcards and quizzes, allowing you to review vocabulary and phrases on the go. Here's what you can do. Create your own flashcards or use pre-made ones. Take fun quizzes to reinforce your memory. Practice with games like Match and Gravity for more engagement. Quizlet makes vocabulary practice easy and customizable. Quick review. Fun apps for learning English. Duolingo. Game-like lessons for vocabulary and grammar. Memrise. Build vocabulary with visuals and repetition. HelloTalk. Chat with native speakers for real conversations. BBC Learning English. Watch videos and take quizzes for structured learning. Quizlet. Use flashcards and quizzes to reinforce vocabulary. With these apps, you'll be able to learn English in a fun and engaging way. Each app offers something unique, so try them out to see which one fits your style the best. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Docents Digitalis TV for more practical English tips and lessons. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep practicing and enjoy learning with these fun apps.